I'm in the Outer Banks, North Carolina at Sound Skate Park. This is a skate park review. So coming from the parking lot into the park, the first thing you'll find is a small bowl with some obstacles in it. We'll get back to this in a little bit, but let's go around to the rest of the park first. So over here, there's a round-up ledge with coping on it. Over here is 2 quarter pipes with a box. Here we have a small ledge with a hubba, a handrail, and another ollie box. Up here is the bowl. The small end is 6 feet and the deep end is 8. And it's all pool coping. It's pretty fun if you know what you're doing in it. Okay, back into the small bowl, you'll find 2 wedges that make a hip. There's a round of vert wall. And over on this side of the bowl, there's a wedge ramp that leads out of the bowl. That's it for this park. Let's have a quick session.
Gotta land it at the end.
Land it.
Alright, so what do you think of Sound Park?
Sucks. South Park? It's the worst park.
The park we're at.
South Park?
Yeah,
This is the worst park in Carolina, I think.
I mean, it's got a dagger steel. That's like gleaming the cube.
Huh? What?